Oh no, it's 7:30. We're late. David, wake up. We overslept.
What time is it?
7:30.
7:30? Our flight is at 10. 10? Oh no. Okay, let's move.
Lily, Tom, wake up! Tom, Lily, wake up. Time to go.
Mom, just 5 more minutes.
No 5 minutes today. We're going to Thailand. Thailand? With beaches? Yes, with beaches.
And elephants?
Yes, elephants too. Yes, but only if we catch the plane.
I'm up! Where's my blue jacket?
In your drawer. Tom, find your shoes, please.
I can't find them. Where are they? I need my shoes.
Here, little traveler. They're under your bed again.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Passports, tickets, chargers, snacks. Where are the snacks?
In the green bag. And coffee for us?
Of course. No trip without coffee.
Mom, I packed my swimsuit and my comic book.
Good job, sweetie.
Tom, what about you? I packed my toy elephant and my hat. Only that? Oh, right, clothes too.
Maybe he plans to live on the beach.
Ugh, not funny, David. We still need a taxi.
It'll be here in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Oh no, I haven't brushed my hair.
Mom, you look fine.
You always look fine. Nice try. But still, comb time. Okay, checklist time. Passports?
Check.
Tickets?
Check.
Snacks?
Check.
Chargers?
Double check.
Perfect. We're ready.
Good morning. Good morning. We're going to the airport. Which terminal? Terminal 2. All right. Hop in. Okay, everyone. Seatbelts on.
I'm so excited. I've never been to Thailand. Really? This will be your first flight. Really? Do planes have food?
Yes. Small food.
Like toy food?
Yes. Here we are, Terminal 2. Thank you. Have a great day.
Wow, so many people.
Airports are always busy.
It feels like a big mall.
Yes, now first, check-in.
Mom, what does check-in mean?
We give passports and tickets to the airline. Then they give us boarding passes.
Then plane?
Almost, but first, security.
What's security?
They check bags to keep everyone safe.
No toy swords?
Haha, no toy swords. Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. We're flying to Bangkok, Thailand.
May I see your passports?
Here you go.
Any checked luggage? Yes, 2 suitcases. Please place them here. 24 kilos. That's fine. Oh, good. Here are your boarding passes. Gate 23, boarding at 9:30.
Thank you very much.
Mom, what's a boarding pass?
It shows your seat and gate number.
Like a ticket to the sky?
Exactly.
Why do we take off shoes?
For security.
Even shoes?
Even shoes. Finally, we can sit.
Coffee time.
Definitely. I'll get coffee. Kids, what do you want?
A sandwich, please.
French fries. 1 sandwich and 1 French fries. Coming up. Here we go. Breakfast number 2.
Thank you, Mom. Wow, these fries are so good.
Vacation mode already.
Attention passengers flying to Bangkok. Boarding begins in 10 minutes. That's us. Let's go.
Seatbelts on.
We're moving! We're flying!
Look, the clouds. They look like cotton candy.
I want to eat one.
Later. Thailand candy first.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be landing shortly in Bangkok.
We made it! We didn't crash.
That's not something you say out loud, Lily.
But yes, we did it.
Wow, there are so many people waiting.
Yes, many travelers.
Thailand! It's warm!
Feel that air, it's so warm and soft. It smells like flowers.
I hear birds. Are those parrots? Maybe. We'll find out soon. Welcome to Thailand. Hotel Palm Breeze? Yes, that's right.
We did it.
From morning rush to a new country.
Best family trip.
Thailand! Our family adventure begins.
Thank you for watching Fluent English Practice.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
See you soon. Keep learning.